Presenting a pre-owned 2019 Toyota Camry SE. 2019 Toyota Camry SE. Reliable, stylish, and built to go the distance. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 2.5-liter i4 engine with front-wheel drive and an 8-speed automatic with transmission. This Toyota has less than 59,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 28 miles per gallon in the city and 39 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Behold the magnificent 2019 Toyota Camry SE, a modern chariot powered by a 2.5L i4 engine delivering 203 horsepower and 184 lb-ft of torque for a smooth yet spirited drive. Dressed in a sleek super white exterior with an ash interior, this beauty has less than 59k miles, averaging under 9k per year, so it's just hitting its stride. With an impressive 28 mpg city and 39 mpg highway, you'll cruise past gas stations with ease. This Camry comes in excellent condition with a clean Carfax, blending reliability, efficiency, and style like no other. Don't miss your chance to own this gem. Upgrade your ride and join the Camry Club today. Key features include auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, wireless data link, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.